Space is vast. It's filled with wonders, but also with dangers. Giant rocks, called asteroids, hurtle through the solar system. Sometimes their paths cross Earth's orbit. These collisions, while rare, have shaped the history of our planet in dramatic ways. Imagine the energy released when a rock, bigger than a mountain, slams into Earth at incredible speed. These events are rare, but their impact is undeniable. The Earth bears the scars of these ancient impacts. Craters some miles wide are reminders of the power of these cosmic events. We can study these scars to understand the forces that shaped our planet. Impacts can cause widespread destruction, but they can also be a source of creation. 66 million years ago, life on Earth faced its greatest challenge. An asteroid, estimated to be 6 miles wide, slammed into the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. This event, the Chicxulub impact, changed the course of life on Earth. The impact released energy equivalent to billions of atomic bombs. Imagine the devastation. The immediate effects were catastrophic: tsunamis that dwarfed the largest ever recorded, wildfires that raged across continents, and earthquakes that shook the planet. But the long-term effects were even more profound. Dust and debris filled the atmosphere, blocking out the sun. The planet was plunged into darkness. This triggered a global winter, causing temperatures to plummet. The dinosaurs, rulers of the planet for over 180 million years, could not survive this cataclysmic event. The Tunguska event of 1908 is a reminder that even smaller impacts can have a significant effect. On the morning of June 30th, 1908, a blinding light flashed across the sky above Siberia. Moments later, a massive explosion, estimated to be 1,000 times more powerful than the atomic bomb dropped on Hiroshima, flattened over 800 square miles of forest. The cause? Most likely an asteroid or comet exploding in the atmosphere. What makes Tunguska so fascinating is the lack of a clear impact crater. This suggests that the object exploded before hitting the ground, creating an airburst with devastating effects. Tunguska serves as a stark warning. Even relatively small objects can cause widespread damage if they enter the atmosphere at the wrong angle and explode. Impacts, while often destructive, may have played a crucial role in the origins of life on Earth. Scientists believe that early Earth was bombarded by comets and asteroids. These celestial objects could have carried within them the building blocks of life, water, and organic molecules. Imagine these impacts delivering the ingredients for life to a young Earth. This hypothesis, called panspermia, suggests that life on Earth may have originated from these cosmic seeds. While still a theory, it's a reminder that impacts can be both destructive and creative. The very events that caused mass extinctions may have also paved the way for the emergence of life as we know it. The story of life on Earth is intricately linked to these cosmic collisions.